Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the vehicle and cutting power to accessories. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts. Once done, remove the license plate and fog light connectors so wiring won't snag. Next, pull the lower splash shield fasteners using a trim tool, then unbolt visible bumper bolts with 13 mm and 15 mm sockets. These first steps free the cover edges and prevent painted panels from bending. So work methodically and keep fasteners organized. You now support the bumper edge and remove hidden bolts in the wheel wells and under the hood to fully release the cover. Once loose, pull the cover straight off, wiggle gently to avoid breaking tabs. Transfer sensors, mounts, grill clips, and end caps to the new cover exactly where they sat. This preserves alignment and electrical routing. If you see cracked tabs, reinforce them with plastic weld or install small steel brackets before reassembly, because solid mounts prevent future rattles and misalignment. You place the new bumper cover onto the mounts and align it visually, then start all bolts by hand so nothing cross-threads. Once positioned, torque fasteners to factory specs and reinstall the lower splash shield, fog lights, and sensors. Make sure connectors click. Reattach the negative battery terminal and test lights and sensors before final tightening. If you find gaps or misalignment, slightly loosen neighboring bolts, shift the cover for fit, then retorque. This adjustment prevents wind noise and ensures proper sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.